Please welcome Klaus Meyer, Head of Sales and Marketing, Mercedes-Benz Vans.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here in Hanover, it is clear what's driving our industry and where the opportunities and challenges of this industry lie. At Mercedes-Benz Vans, we are shaping this future with our advanced strategy. And the new Sprinter is the embodiment of advance. The first model series that brings together all the innovations in this strategy for the first time. Advance now consists of a total of 6 areas that address the key fields of innovation in our industry. We are developing and connecting our customers with different hardware and software solutions. We're adding suitable services and combine this with strategic consulting. This has turned us by now into much more than just a vehicle manufacturer. Mercedes-Benz Vans is becoming a holistic provider of mobility and transport solutions that thinks far beyond the individual vehicle. Our new Sprinter is therefore also the first van of a new species. The van as a fully networked overall system solution with a communication module permanently connected to the internet. The Sprinter is to conventional vans like a smartphone is to a simple mobile phone. 10 years ago it was a big revolution, and today we are wondering how could we ever do without it? Or how could we ever live without it? I'm convinced that this will also be true for the new Sprinter in the future. Due to its connectivity, it has a revolutionary USP. On the road, our new Star becomes an integral part of the value chain of our customers. It offers a completely new level of networking, flexibility, and of course, profitability. A colleague of yours recently even called the new Sprinter a super van. It is tailor-made for every industry because our Sprinter is more versatile than ever before. A Sprinter takes film stars to their hotel and workers to the construction site. The entire vehicle architecture works according to the modular principle, with which we can offer over 1,700 basic variants, so unprecedented flexibility. Not least for these reasons, Amazon in the US recently decided to purchase a total of 20,000 vehicles from us by 2019. The arguments for this choice are clear: a great product, but also a holistic approach, which we are pursuing with Advance. Talking about holistic, to turn a van into a genuine, complete system solution, we have developed a digital platform, Mercedes Pro, launched in June. Mercedes Pro is our brand for all services and digital solutions. We are networking and optimizing the communication between fleet managers, vehicles, and drivers. Our customers can control orders online and, if necessary, send new routes to the vehicle. Or they can check vehicle information such as location, fuel level, or maintenance intervals, almost in real time. Mercedes Pro offers a total of 8 packages with a total of 18 different services. Each package is tailored to specific requirements, such as fleet management, improved navigation, or driving style analysis. We provide comprehensive advice to our customers on which packages are best suited to their application. The result is a tailor-made system solution. However, there's another area that has also made headlines in the past few months: the electrification of our total model series. But I think Benjamin Kehler, my colleague, is best placed to talk about this because he's the head of our eDrive van team. Over to you, Benjamin.